Hello, my wonderful people. In our today's class, I want to show you how you can actually convert a very large to a very large Webm video to an MP3. Okay, so as you can see on the screen, this is a free convert to online. So the name of the free convert to online is freeconvert.com. So once you search that on Google, it's going to bring you to this environment, and then the next thing you want to do is to choose from your left hand side to the other right hand side. You want to choose what you want to convert. So as you can see, here you can do quite a number of conversion, free PDF to Word conversion, and a whole lot of other ones. Okay, however, what we want to do now is we want to convert our Webm video to we want to convert our Webm video to what's it called now, to MP4. Okay, so one of the things you may want to do is to sign up to the website, okay, so that you can be able to do that very, very quickly. So what I want to do now is I want to click on this place, and then I'm going to see a number of options here. So MP4 to MP3, that's not what you want to do. Webm, okay, that's not what you want to do. You want to look for the suitable kind of conversion we want to do, so that we can be able to get the accurate results we are looking for. Okay, so in this situation now, I want to go for this. Okay, and then I'm going to choose, I want to choose the file in this place now. So I'm going to click on choose file. So you can actually drag your file inside this place if you want to do that. However, I want to click on choose file. So the next thing I want to do is to allow the system to load, so that it's going to bring up my document. And then as soon as that is being done, so this is my review on Temu. If you haven't watched it, please you go and do that. So the screenshot I made is this, and it's in Webm format. So I want to bring it to this place. Okay, so I want to import it here. Then I have imported it. Okay, so this time around I want to okay, I think this version of my file is the MP4 version, not the, so let me remove it and put the Web3 version of it. Okay, so I think that is it. This is it, because I've actually tried to convert it. So you can see this is the Webm version of it. Okay, so the output, what output do I want? So the output I want is MP4, not any of those things, which the system have all automatically selected, because we selected this particular instruction, MP4 converter. That's the reason why it selected it like this. And now the next thing we want to do is to click on convert, and the file we have here is added one file. So for me, one of the reasons for which I prefer the free convert is because it can actually convert a large amount. This is 35.45 megabytes document. There are some other ones which will not allow you to do that. So I've clicked on convert now, and then converting result and the rest of that. So this is how, when it's done converting, you can now download your document from here. But being that I've done it before, I don't want to download it again, so I'm going to cancel here. So I hope that you got value from this video, and please, if you got value, please like our video, subscribe, and share it to some other person, so that they can learn how they can convert a larger file, MP4, to a Webm to MP4, please do. In subsequent time, we are making our studio and our video to be of more and better quality, so you want to help us and do that. Thank you so much.